In this video, I'm going to add a random effect to a sprite. I actually want to add a couple random effects. One where my lightning bolt, right now if I take a look at my bolt, it appears in the middle of the screen. I want to add some randomness so that it appears in different areas across the x-axis of the screen. That's to the left or to the right of our stage. And then I also want to add a random effect so that right now I have the lightning bolt waiting a specific time. Um, Right now I'll set it so that it waits 1 second before it shows. And if I place a repeat block in there so that we can see a couple different iterations of it, if I run it, it'll wait 1 second, show, disappear, wait a second, show, disappear, wait a second, show, and disappear. I'm going to add some randomness so that it waits at different points, different lengths of time. So if we go over to the little variables menu, this the plus, the and sign, and the equal sign, there's a block in here called pick random. And if I just drop that into, instead of that wait 1 second, a pick random amount of time, now our bolts will appear anywhere between 1 and 3 seconds after waiting. So if we look at it, we'll have it appear for different times. Maybe it'll come quickly, maybe it'll wait the full 3 seconds, or somewhere in between. So now we've had a little bit of randomness there. Let's add a little more so that it appears in different places across the stage. So if we go to the motion menu, there's a block, a go-to block, and I'm just going to drop this somewhere in my script. And right now the lightning bolt sprite appears kind of in the center of the stage. And if we look at the mouse pointer once again, we can see that we have an X and a Y value that appears in the bottom right that tracks the mouse button. So if our lightning bolt is somewhere around here, it's roughly at about a Y of 80 or so. So I want to keep it roughly at about that level, but I'm going to add, whoops, I'm typing in the wrong area. But I want to add some randomness on that X so it appears at different points of left and right. So if we go back over to the variables menu and drop another random block in there, if I place the X values anywhere between minus 200s to upper 200s, we'll notice that's almost the extent of the screen to left to right. So now if we play our script, we'll see the lightning bolt appear anywhere from the middle to the left to the right and at slightly different times.